Now let's talk about using pointers with arrays. As you already know, that the array name itself is the address of its first element. Let's check it practically to revise and set a strong foundation. Let's take an integer array. I will say int I arr of length 3 is equal to 21, 23, 73. Now let me declare an integer pointer. Int star iptr is equal to, now here I can say IARR directly because it is the address, also known as the base address. Or I can also write int star iptr is equal to ampersand IARR of 0. These two are the same. Let me comment on this ampersand IARR of 0 at the moment. Now let's print the value of IARR, IPTR, and let me also display the value stored at the location, that is star IPTR. Let's save and run the code. And as you can see, the value of IARR and IPTR are the same because they both are the address of the first element, that is the 0th element. And when I say star IPTR, you can see it returns 21 as IPTR is the address and star IPTR means value stored at that location, that is 21. Now let me say IPTR++ and display the IPTR and star IPTR. Now what actually has happened, the pointer moved to the next location, and that's why star IPTR displays 23 because array stores data in a sequence. You can read the entire array by moving the pointer back and forth. So let me copy this whole section and paste it again, and let me make change to IPTR++ and make it IPTR-. And now you can see it displays 21, that is the first location. So this was some basic idea about dealing with arrays and moving the pointer. Pointer is extremely helpful to deal with various data structures, and we will see step by step to get a clear idea.